Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change circle features in HUION Keydial KD200 tablet. So as you guys see, after you connected your device, make sure to install the HUION tablet app, and once you're ready, you should have an image of your tablet, and I will just left click on the zoom in and out, and as you see, there is features 1, zoom in or out. There you can click by left click and pick whichever option you would like. By pressing this option, it automatically applies. Pick whichever you would like, and as you see, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.